Welcome back to my channel 5-minute product review. This is my video review for Trijicon night sight set. So here I am presenting 3 best Trijicon night sight sets. So let's start it. The first one is Trijicon night sight set for Smith & Wesson M&P pistols. High visibility colored front sight post, glow in the dark photoluminescent paint add visibility and quicker target acquisition in the translation light. Angle and steered surface to reduce glare and black painted ring to enhance focus on front sight. Specifically designed rear notch enhanced front sight acquisition. Tritium-filled glass lamp provides superior illumination in the light or low light setting. M&P M2.0 SD9 VE and SD40 VE. The next one is Trijicon GL02 Night Sight Installation Toolkit for Glock models. Installation toolkit for Trijicon Bright and Tough and HD Night Sight set for the Glock model. Not compatible with the Trijicon suppressor sight or Glock 42x43 model. Contents: rear sight pusher tool and front sight screwdriver for the smaller retaining screw. Does not work with the Trijicon suppression sight. Trijicon night sight toolkit for Glock model. The Trijicon GL02 night sight installation toolkit helps you easily install Trijicon brand night sight set for all Glock model. This toolkit is work for all the Trijicon Bright and Tough and HD night sight set. It will not install Trijicon Glock suppression sights. The complete package contains rear sight pusher tool and front sight screwdriver for the small retaining screws. The last one is Trijicon night sight set for Smith & Wesson M&P pistols. Thin front post promotes a larger field of view for fast target identification and engagement at longer distance. Glow in the dark photoluminescent painted font outline combined with the U-note rear and black painted rear outlines to quickly draw your eye to front post in all lighting conditions. Tritium-PHOSPHOR glass lamp illuminates sights for high visibility in the lighting situations. Each Tritium lamp is capped with the spheres jewel that help evenly distribute the light and also act an additional layer of protection from puncture and cleaning solvents. Fit Smith & Wesson model. That's all for now. I hope you liked the video. Please like, share and subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to press the bell icon.